up, speak up.
Hi, welcome to Speak Up. Today we will learn a new, interesting expression and at the same time practice your English pronunciation. Our expression is a white elephant. In ancient times, in Thailand and in other Asian countries, white elephants were regarded as holy and belonged to the ruler. If a Thai king became dissatisfied with a subordinate, he would give him a white elephant. It was impossible to reject the royal gift, and it was so difficult to keep the sacred animal that in most cases it ruined the recipient. Thus, the expression, a white elephant, means something completely useless, even though it is an expensive gift. For example, you can say, his gift is a real white elephant. Though it is expensive, it's completely useless. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to pronounce this expression. Please watch closely how I use my lips, teeth, jaw, tongue, and facial muscles to pronounce the expression. Repeat after me. A white elephant. A white elephant. A white elephant. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching Speak Up. All the best and see you soon.
Speak up, speak up.